Okay, I just wanted to show you Quizlet because it is very good to use when you need to learn definitions. So this is one that a colleague created on probability. Um, I had a quick go and I got quite bored myself, but it's not to say a student wouldn't get bored. I just thought there were too many definitions. But when I looked through it, I thought it's an absolutely fantastic tool for students. So it's a flashcard. So if you press spacebar, okay, one run of an experiment is a trial. So they learn the definitions. So this is really useful for, I guess, other subjects where especially science, where they have to learn definitions. Okay, so you can go through all them. There's 19 cards. So if we go back, I liked you can test yourself on your definitions. But this matching one, okay, so you actually have to match them together and you get a time. Okay, so yeah, it's not going to allow me to quickly do it, so I won't do it now. But if you got students to create this, it obviously would save you time, but they're learning as they're going and then they can test each other. So there's other options there. There's the feedback here, which you can look at, and I don't know how I got that wrong. I probably was just guessing. What else have I got? So I think I wrote Venn, and it was Venn diagram. Remember with short answers, it is word specific. So if a student wrote Venn instead of Venn diagram, then they would get it wrong, but it doesn't mean that they don't understand what they're doing. So you've got to check for things like that. Okay, so I really liked this one. I thought I'd quickly show you. I think you can definitely share them, but I don't think there is a search tool like there is for Kahoot. So let's just check to see. Let's try another one. So let's try linear. See if anything comes up. Oh yeah, there are. Okay. So just doesn't, I suppose, brag as to how many it has. Okay, so you have 15 terms for linear. Obviously, as a teacher, you need to check them first. I mean, this notation here of y2 minus y1, I would use lowercase y and lowercase x and the subscript, but you might be okay with that, or your students might still understand what that means. Here we have another linear. So you can obviously go through and see which ones are best for your class. And you can also get the students, as I said, to create their own. And it's a good assessment tool. So instead of just doing a topic test, you can say, all right, your assessment is going to be on how well you can learn these definitions.